Hello all, I am Rajshekhar from Sunrise Institute of Education. In this previous class, I discussed some examples related to identification of hybridization related to organic compounds. Okay, in this class also, I detailedly explained some more examples which is related to identification of hybridization related to organic compounds. Okay, let us see naphthalene and anthracene. Okay, this naphthalene is represented by this structure. This is capillary structure, as this is the ring structure. This is the expanded structure. This is the anthracene structure in this manner also. Okay, this is the expanded structure. Okay, let us see how we find out the hybridization of each carbon in naphthalene and anthracene. Okay, let us see first naphthalene. Okay, this naphthalene formula is, let us count them. How many carbons it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is nothing but C10. Count them hydrogens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 only. Okay. This is the naphthalene formula. This is the organic compound. Okay. This naphthalene balls is used in our home also. Okay. Let us see first example. Okay, that is naphthalene. Suppose for example, let us see this carbon. This carbon is consisting of, this is single bond. This is nothing but this is sigma bond. I already told that, okay, all single bonds must and should be, that is nothing but sigma bond. This is also single bond. This is also nothing but this is also sigma bond. Here double bond is present. Here in this double bond, one must and should be sigma, and the second one is pi bond. This is sigma and pi bond. Let us count them total. 1, 2, 3, 4. Among 4 bonds, 3 is related to sigma bonds, 1 is related to pi. That's why, okay, it has 1 pi bond only. That is nothing but it is belongs to sp2 hybridization. It is belongs to sp2 hybridization. Let us see this carbon also. This carbon is also surrounded by 4 bonds. Okay, this is nothing but this is sigma bond, single bond. This is single bond, this is also sigma bond. This is double bond, is nothing but it is 1 sigma, 1 pi. It is also consisting of 1, 2, 3. 3 sigma bonds, 1 pi bond. That's why this is also nothing but this is also sp2. This is also sp2. Next, let us check them. This carbon. This carbon is also 1, 2. This is sigma, this is sigma, this is also sigma, this is also, this is only pi. That's why this carbon is also consisting of 3 sigma bonds, 1 pi bond. That is nothing but it is also belongs to sp2. Next, let us see this carbon. Sigma, sigma, 1 sigma, 1 pi. Only 1 pi bond is present. That's why this is also belongs to sp2. Next, let us see this. Sigma, sigma, sigma. This is only pi. That's why this is also related to sp2. Next, last one. This carbon is also having 1 CH sigma, CC sigma, CC sigma and CC pi. That's why all the 6 carbons, not only this carbon, so let us check them, this carbons is also. Okay, that's why in naphthalene, each carbon is surrounded by 3 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond. That's why each carbon is undergo sp2 hybridization. This is also sp2 hybridization. Okay, that's why in naphthalene, each carbon undergo sp2 hybridization. Next, let us see anthracene. Likewise, naphthalene, anthracene is also same. Suppose for example, let us see. Let us check them. This carbon. This carbon is surrounded by 4 bonds. Okay, this is nothing but CH, sigma, single bond. This is nothing but sigma bond. This CC, single bond. This is also nothing but sigma. Wherever you see single bond, that must and should be sigma. Wherever you see double bond, that is consisting of 1 sigma bond and 1 pi bond. 1 sigma and 1 pi. Here that is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bonds. Here among these 4 bonds, 3 bonds are sigma, 1 is pi. That is nothing but sp2 hybridization. Let us check them in same manner. All the carbons is also consisting of 1, 2, sigma, 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 pi. Okay. Let us check them. This all carbon is also having 3 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond. That's why all the carbons in naphthalene and anthracene having sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization. Very, very important. Next example, vinyl benzene. Okay, this is the common name, vinyl benzene. It is also called as styrene. The IUPAC name of vinyl benzene or styrene is 1-phenyl. Okay, it is that is nothing but this is it has 2 number of carbons. It has double bond. Okay, that's why 1-phenyl. Okay, here phenyl group is attached to the first carbon. Okay, that's why it is called as 1-phenyl ethene. This is the IUPAC name. Okay, let us see its hybridization. First of all, let us see first carbon. The first carbon is consisting of CH single bond. CH single bond is nothing but this is sigma bond. CC single bond. This is also sigma bond. Here CC double bond. One mustard should be sigma. The other mustard should be pi. That's why here among the tetravalency 1, 2, 3. 3 bonds are sigma bonds. The remaining only one is pi. That's why it is belongs to sp2 hybridization. Okay, here in this sp2 hybridization, 1 pi bond is present. Here in sp hybridization, 2 pi bonds are present. In sp3 hybridization, there is no pi bond. This is sigma bond, single bond. This is also single. This is nothing but this is also sigma. This is also sigma. This is also sigma. This is pi. That's why the second carbon is also consisting of 1, 2, 3. 3 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond. That's why this is also belongs to sp2 series. Next, let us see this benzene. Already in this previous class we discussed all the benzene 6 carbons. Each carbon has only 1 double bond. That's why all the 6 carbons belongs to sp2 series. Let us check them one. This is sigma bond. This is sigma bond. Here among these is 2. This is sigma. 1 is pi. Here 1 pi bond is present. That's why sp2. Here is also, let us check them. 1 sigma. Second one is also sigma. This is 1 sigma. Another one is pi. That's why 1 pi bond. Here is also this carbon. 1 pi. The remaining 3 are sigma. Here is also. Likewise, these 3 are belongs to sp2 hybridization. That's why here this styrene or vinyl benzene or 1-phenyl ethene. Okay, all the carbons possess sp2 hybridization. Next, let us see stilbene. This is common name. Okay, the IUPAC name of the compound is 1,2. That is nothing but here one of the hydrogen, here in the styrene, one of the hydrogen is replaced by another phenyl group. Stilbene is formed. Okay, here one of the hydrogen is replaced by another benzene ring or another phenyl ring. It is okay. Stilbene is formed. Stilbene is the common name. IUPAC name is 1,2. Either left to right or right to left. What it may be right? Why? Because it is a symmetrical molecule. Okay, 1,2 diphenyl ethene. This is the IUPAC name. IUPAC name. Okay, let us check them. First carbon and second carbon and the benzene rings. The first carbon is consisting of sigma bond. This is also single. This is also sigma bond. Here this is pi bond. This is belongs to one mustard should be sigma. Second mustard should be pi. What about this second carbon? This carbon also, this is sigma. This is sigma. Already sigma pi. Okay, both 1 and 2 carbons consisting of 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay. For the consideration of first carbon, it consisting of 1, 2, 3. 3 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond. That is nothing but it is belongs to sp2 series. Next, what about second? Second one is also consisting of 1, 2, 3. 3 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond. That's why the second carbon is also belongs to sp2 series. Already we discussed in benzene ring, each carbon is having 1 double bond. That is nothing but each carbon is having 1 pi bond. That's why all the carbons is having sp2 hybridization. This is the simple phenomena to identify the hybridization. Thank you for watching this video.